This is the OMR road, which stands for Old Mahabalipuram Road. So it starts from Madhya Kailas, which is in Adyar, and it goes till Mahabalipuram. I'm going to office after almost 1.5 years, and I have not been to that part of Chennai for the whole time. For 1.5 years, I haven't been to Guindy itself. So I work for Verizon, which is in Guindy. It's about 25 kilometers from here. The reason for going to office is that my office laptop is locked and I'm not able to use it. I was in the paternity leave for last 15 days because of Nidhi. My office gives me almost 2 months of leave if you have a newborn baby at home. One of the best office to work with. They have amazing policies with regards to employees, their family, and even during COVID, they've been releasing policies after policies to benefit us. Because of the COVID, they were not asking me to come to office, not to avoid any contact. But now the lockdown is lifted. So they called me to office and they were like, okay, bring your laptop, we'll fix it. We are in OMR road now. And in this OMR road, we will go till Madhya Kailash. And from there, left to Guindy. When work from home started because of COVID, my friends were telling me that it's for 10-15 days. And once the coronavirus is all over, we will be back within 15 days. I told them I'm 100% sure for next 3 months, we will not be coming to office because of the condition in other countries. And look here, it's 1.5 years and we are still working from home. Okay. I have a feeling that we may continue for another 1.5 years or 2. Again work from home, and only then we will be able to, because we have new variants coming up. If you ask me, I like to work from home because I get to spend a lot of time with my daughter Nidhi and also with my wife Meena. Also, I am wearing this shirt after 1.5 years. I have 6 formal shirts and I haven't used them for last 1.5 years because of, we are not going to office, then why you have to use your formal clothes? All that you need for survival is some shorts and some t-shirts. We have some police check, I don't know why. The restrictions has been lifted, that's why I'm allowed to go outside. Benefits. Taken a small diversion. Instead of going to Madhya Kailash, I am taking the Chennai 1 road. So we will be going to Velachery, and then from Velachery we will be cutting to Guindy. This is not a shortcut, but this is not roaming too much also. I mean, like, both are almost same. From Velachery, I have taken the road which goes to the airport. I think this is known as the Inner Ring Road. Have you seen the movie of Nayanthara, Dora? That was shot here. It's a very nice time to renovate your office because no employees are there. So a lot of renovation work is going on. I will have to switch off my camera because photography is not allowed inside my office like any other office. So let's respect that because I don't want to lose my job. Okay, I'll go inside and come. My work is over. I'm again back on the Katipara bridge. I'm going home. I'm very hungry. This is Velachery, and if you are here during normal days, you will have so much of traffic. Inside Chennai, driving in 5th gear is always going to be a dream. This is the OMR road, which stands for Old Mahabalipuram Road. So it starts from Madhya Kailas, which is in Adyar, and it goes till Mahabalipuram. But primarily this road is constructed and maintained because of all the IT companies which are there on this road. See on the left or right, you have all IT companies. What you have? You have Sundaram here, you have Capgemini, you have Standard Chartered where Meena works. You have Saravana stores, so if you want to shop, you can come here. And you have Apollo, you have Vestas. In Tamil Nadu, the coronavirus cases are rising exponentially, and we had election recently, and because of that election, people feel that we have a lot of cases. New government which has come in has introduced 3 weeks lockdown. The good news is that it's working. Because of the lockdown, we have, the cases have started declining. Google Maps said that I'll reach in 35 minutes, but because of the empty road, I think I reached in 25 minutes. I don't drive fast. People who have been following my blog knows that I drive very slow, and even inside the city I don't think I ever crossed more than 70. Because of the lockdown, we've not been able to travel outside, and so we are not able to make content. So I thought, okay, even if I'm going to office, let's record it on my GoPro and post it on YouTube. So here is a small blog. If you like it, do subscribe. And even if you don't like, still do subscribe. Check out my other videos where we have traveled a lot of places in south of Tamil Nadu, Kanyakumari, Kodaikanal, and a lot of places on bike with my wife. And we'll be making more travel content once the lockdown is over, once things are back to normal. And till then, I'll be making small content like this. I'll see you again in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, wear your mask. Carry sanitizer, maintain social distance, don't meet unwanted people, don't go out when it is not required. I'll see you again in the next vlog. Bye bye.